Hello friends, in today's program we'll try another permutation problem. We have input string cat. We have to print all the possible variations of cat. Let's start. We'll use recursion for this problem. So we'll first print the cases where the string length is 1 or 2, and then we'll use the same method as in recursion. If length input string less than equals to 1, then return the same string in a list. If length input string equals to 2, return input string and a reverse of input string, which will be colon colon -1, else. Let's print something here. Continued, and we'll test our output. We'll test for single character C. We have it. We'll test for AB. We have ABBA, and for case 3, or where string length more than 2, we'll use a helper method. The helper method will split our given characters. We have input string ABC. What it will do is it will split ABC into ABC, BCA, and CAB. So let's write that for I in range length of input string, print input string I, input string I plus 1 colon plus input string colon I. So here we have A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A, B. Let's try that with 4 characters: A, B, C, D, B, C, D, A, C, D, A, B, and D, A, B, C. So what we'll do is we'll join A with the permutations of B, C, D, or permutations of B, C, like that. So we'll send the second part to our permutation method. Let's copy this to our main method. We'll take another loop here for j in. We'll call our main method and pass the second part, permutation. This, let's take a list, will be main list, and we'll append our results here. Main list dot append our first character, which would be input string of I plus j is the permutation, j from permutations. Out of the loop, we'll return main list. Let's test ABBA, test ABC. ABC, we have all the output. Cat, we'll have all the variations of cat. Let's try a bigger one. Stack, we have all the output of stack. Since it's permutation, we are getting our results as n factorial. N factorial is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 2 till 1. So for stack, it will be it's a 5-letter word. Output would be 120. We have the length as 120. Thank you for watching.